Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious instant pozole rojo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. For this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of pork shoulder, 2 pounds of pork ribs, 12 New Mexico o guajillo chile pods, 2 chile anchos, 50 ounces of pre-cooked hominy, 1/4 of an onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, and all of our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by seasoning our meat. Here I already have my pork shoulder and country style ribs cut into bite-sized pieces. So we're just going to season it with salt and black pepper. And make sure to pat it dry before you season it, okay? Okay, so once we have that, we're going to set it to the side so we can prepare our sauce. And now to make our sauce, we're going to be adding our clean New Mexico or guajillo chile pods into a small saucepan. Just make sure they fit in there. Along with 2 chile anchos. And because I want my sauce to be a little spicy, I'm also going to be adding chile de árbol. Now we're just going to cover them with water. Set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Alright, so once our chiles come to a boil, transfer them to the blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our sauce. To the blender cup, we're also going to add the piece of onion, garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, salt, black pepper, ground cumin, and oregano. Along with 1/2 cup of pre-cooked hominy. And we're just going to be blending with 4 cups of water. Now blend until smooth. Alright, so once we have that, we're going to set it to the side so we can get ready to begin cooking. Now on a pressure cooker, using the saute setting, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. And once that's nice and hot, we can begin to sear our meat. Do this step in batches, but just allow the meat to get nice and browned all around. Alright guys, so once we have seared all of our meat, we're just going to leave a little oil behind on our pressure cooker. We're going to get ready to add our sauce. Strain if you need to. Into my blender cup, I'm going to be adding another 2 cups of water. Okay, now just mix it and bring this to a simmer. Alrighty guys, and once that comes to a simmer, we're going to be adding our meat along with our hominy. And we're going to add more water all the way to the max line. Now here we're going to be adding our 2 bay leaves. Okay, we're going to close it. And we're going to be switching from the saute setting to pressure cook on high for 25 minutes. Alright guys, so after 25 minutes, our delicious pozole should be done. Of course, make sure to relieve all of the steam from the pressure cooker. And just carefully open it. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. So here you're just going to skim the top layer of your broth to remove all of the oil. I think mine is good. And you also want to remove the bay leaves. Here the meat should be nice and tender. Just look at that. Okay. And just like that, we have our delicious pozole. So now we can get ready to serve. And I forgot to mention, but make sure you taste it for salt. But let me tell you, this is always perfect. Alrighty guys, and once we serve our delicious pozole, now we can get ready for the fun part, and that's topping it. So I'm going to begin by squeezing some lime juice. Top it with some cabbage, some onion and cilantro, and of course some radishes. And because I like it spicy, I like to top it with some salsa de aceite. Just top it like that. Serve it with some chips or tostadas, and just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. Making pozole in the Instant Pot, it's seriously super easy to make and so delicious, and best part, you get to get it done in under 1 hour. That's the best part. Now I am so ready. Let me tell you, this right here, the meat is so tender, so flavorful, and of course the broth. I am so ready. So I hope you give it a try, and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. No one will ever know that it was made in the Instant Pot. It's so delicious. And this recipe is perfect, if you have a small family. But so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious instant pozole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.